question asks us to add curved arrows to this reaction to show how the products are made from these reagents. I started by adding lone pairs to all of the atoms that have lone pairs in this molecule. Noticing the differences between the starting materials and the products, I see some bonds are formed and some bonds are broken. In terms of bonds broken, I notice this oxygen-hydrogen bond is being broken. I notice that this carbon-oxygen bond is also being broken in this reaction. In terms of bond formed, I notice a bond formed between the chlorine and the hydrogen, and I notice a pi bond formed between the carbon and the oxygen. In terms of how we're going to use these curved arrows, we'll start with the Cl-. There's excess electron density around the Cl-. We'll use this lone pair to attack the acidic hydrogen on the alcohol. That will form the chlorine-hydrogen bond that we need in this product. But that builds up too much electron density around hydrogen. To fix that, I'm going to need to break the oxygen-hydrogen bond. And I'm going to use these electrons to form the new oxygen-carbon pi bond. That forms the pi bond, breaks the OH bond, but it builds up too much electron density around the central carbon. To fix that, I'm going to need to break the carbon-oxygen sigma bond and deposit those electrons locally onto the oxygen. That will break the OH bond and form our water byproduct. These are the curved arrows necessary to form these products from these reagents.